This is another really important app, and I would highly recommend that you install it on your store, and it's called Abandonment Protector. And what this allows you to do is whenever customers come on your store, sometimes they're gonna just add it to the cart and they're not gonna check out, as in they're not gonna pay, but they're gonna just add it to the cart. And you will get their info, their email, and all of that. And with this, you will be able to send automated emails to your customers. So what you can do with this is give a discount. Let's say you're selling a product for $20 and someone comes on your store and they see they just add it to the cart, but they don't buy it. So what you can do is next time you're going to send an email for the same product at $10, 50% discount, or you're gonna just remind them, oh hey, this product, you wanted to buy this product but you didn't, you could go ahead and purchase it. We are giving this exclusive giveaway. Just think of a way to give them some kind of leverage. Leverage could be discounts, additional products. It's just limitless of the ways you can use to send emails and create leverage for your customers. So this is something that's really important, and I would highly recommend that you add it to your store. And it also has a 21-day trial, so nothing to worry about. And just add it up, and I'll see you in the next video.